Hey guys, today for grammar we are going to be looking at two different types of nouns in a sentence. This is a little bit of review, so let's go to it. Who remembers what predicate nominatives are? Go ahead, raise your hand. Did anybody actually raise your hand? That'd be fun. Anyways, predicate nominative. Okay, predicate nominative means the same thing as the subject. So, our first example we have Patty, or Patty's mom. Mom is our subject. Okay, is my teacher. So, my teacher is Patty's mom. I can swap it around, and that's kind of a way to tell if it is a predicate nominative. It means the exact same thing as the subject. Okay, our nominative, it's coming at the end of the sentence or the second half of the sentence after the verb, and it's meaning the same thing as the subject. Next example, we have Eric is the birthday boy. So our subject is Eric, and birthday boy is our predicate nominative. Okay, predicate nominatives are always with linking verbs. Remember, a verb that does not show action, because it is the same thing. All right, so that's our predicate nominative. This is our type of noun that is the same as our subject. Next, we have direct objects. Okay, direct objects receive the action of the verb. Okay, so what that looks like is Patty's mom plays tennis. Patty's mom is not tennis. Tennis is not Patty's mom. But Patty's mom, plays tennis. So it's an action verb, and tennis is connected to Patty's mom. Another example is Eric was given a car, probably for his birthday. Maybe it was a toy car. Anyways, Eric was given a car. Car is our, where is it? There it is. Our direct object. It is connected to our subject. All right, so you guys are going to have a assignment on Google Classroom where you're going to identify predicate nominatives and direct objects in a sentence. Remember, a predicate nominative is always going to have a linking verb. There are going to be some pages on your grammar book that you can review before doing the assignment on Google Classroom, so make sure you follow instructions and review those before you get started, and let us know if you have any questions. All right.